Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, expert lash artist and coach. Welcome to my channel. I am super excited about this video because it's the first of its kind on my channel. Today we are doing a lash product review from Kolybél Lash Supply. So before we get into this video, I want y'all to go check out Gapelii. Y'all, this is a black-owned luxury clothing brand. The owners are super sweet, they're super supportive, they're super professional, and they cotton just feels just so soft, y'all. So go check them out. I will have their website link and Instagram in the description box, so give them a look, buy something from them, and keep supporting black businesses. Okay, so before we get into this product review, if you have not already, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate your support by you just subscribing. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions about any of the products, which each of them will be listed in the description box, drop your questions in the comment section, and make sure you turn on your bell notification button so that you're aware every time I share a video. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we're going to be reviewing some products from Kolybél Lash. The company reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and asked if I'd be interested in doing a video to review some of their products, and I was super excited, so here we go. So I have a couple of different types of lashes, some tweezers, some glue, and some tweezer cleaner. So we'll start with the tweezer cleaner and then just kind of work our way through the products. So this is the Kolybél tweezer cleaner, and you would use this, say, when you're lashing or when you're done lashing, to get the excess glue or dry glue on the tips of your tweezers off. So this is your step that you use before you put your tweezers in your barbicide. They have a little sponge in here to help with some friction, and they have a cleanser liquid in here for it. I usually use acetone to clean the dry glue off my tweezers before I wash them and put them in barbicide. So I'm really excited to give this a try and see, you know, if I'll stick with this or if I'll stick with acetone. All right, so I also got 2 pair of tweezers. These are, let me open this up real quick. These are a pair of their boot tweezers. So boot tweezers are really kind of an L-shaped tweezer, and they have a thicker beak than a regular L-shaped tweezer would. And most of the time people use these for mega volume fans. So I am excited to give them a try. This is how the tip of the tweezer looks. This is the stem of it. It's just pretty and clean and white. So those are the boot tweezers that they sent me. They also sent me, you ain't gotta cut this off. They also sent me some isolation tweezers. Now, I love these tweezers for isolation. These are the shape tweezer that I use now for isolating. It's just easier on my wrist. Y'all, I'm really struggling. It's just really easy on my wrist. And I love these especially because they are pink, and that is my favorite color. So here's how the tips of those tweezers look. And I can't wait to give these a try when I'm isolating. And I will, again, tag which tweezers exactly these are in the description box. So if you're interested in them, you can go to their website directly from the description box and make a purchase. All right, so let's look at the lashes. Okay, so I'm really excited about these lashes I'm about to show y'all because I had a client hit me up. I actually had 2 clients express interest in brown lashes, y'all. And we finally got some. So these are the Kolybél, these are you have to hand make these fans. They aren't easing fans. They are 0.7 in their weight. It's a D curl. Excuse me, they sent me a D curl and a C curl, but I'm only gonna open the D curl so I don't have all these open lash packs. And this is a mixed tray, so the lengths go from 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters. And again, they're 0.7. Okay, so I haven't opened these to fill them yet. I wanted to do that with y'all, but the color, the pigment is really beautiful on these, and because they're 0.7, I'm not expecting them to feel like clouds, but I am still expecting them to have, you know, some type of softness to them, because who wants crunchy lashes? So up close, this is what the brown lashes look like, and let's give them a feel, y'all. Okay, so these are some pretty soft lashes. For 0.7s, I'd be scared to try out different 0.7 lashes. Anything above a 0.05, I'd be nervous about. But these are still really soft for their weight. So I will see how they fan out, and then I just might put these on my recommend list. So these are the brown Kolybél lashes. They do have other colors on the website. You can give those a look and give them a try, but these are the 0.07 in weight. This is a D-curl tray, and it is a mixed tray. Again, 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters. And the same for the C-curl tray that I have. It is a mixed tray with the same length range, same weight. Yeah, just different curl. Okay, so these next lashes. I'm excited about these two because I've been seeing them in my normal lash store and of course from different vendors and different artists on Instagram, but I've just never bought them, never cared to really give them a try, but I'm excited to give them a try. These are the Y volume lashes. So if you have not heard of Y lashes, they are literally lashes that make a Y after the stem of the lash. So I'll be probably trying these for like a hybrid set or something, or to see just what comes out of how this shape is. So I'm excited about that. But this is how the lashes kind of look up close. As you can see, hold on, let me try to focus it. You can see that they're already a little wispy, and that's because of the Y shape. They're just kind of crossing over. So these are a 0.07 as well. They only sent me a C curl and a mixed tray, and these are the same lengths, 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters. So let's see what they feel like. Okay. Oh, now these are very soft. These are softer than the brown ones. These are very soft. They feel like 0.05s, and I love 0.05s. Oh my God, yes. I can't wait to use these. Let's see what they look like. I'm gonna pull one off so that we can kind of look at that. If I can get the tweezers. There we go. Okay. Oh, I pulled two off. Okay, y'all. So this is what the lashes look like. This is, put that one down. This is how, this is so weird. This is how they look. So they make a Y shape at the end after the stem of the lashes. And yeah, those are gonna create a really nice wispy looking set for somebody. Can't wait to try these. All right, Kolybél, I'm loving it, I'm loving it. Okay, so another lash tray that I have from Kolybél Lashes, these are their 0.05 CC curl mix, and I think these are easy fans actually. I have not used an easy fan in I don't know how long, okay? So this is definitely gonna be something interesting to try again. So it's a mixed tray and the lengths are still the same, 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters. Again, they're a CC curl, so they're in between a C curl and a D curl, so they're kind of curled but don't have a super strong curl. I currently have a CC curl on my lashes now, if you can see them, you know, whatever. So it's not like too dramatic, but yeah. So let's see what these are feeling like. Oh, I love the 0.05, y'all, and these just feel heavenly, okay? They are super soft, super soft. Let me try to pull these off and see how, with that easy fan hitting for. Oh wait, maybe these aren't easy fanning. There's no adhesive at the bottom. I thought they sent some easy fans. Oh, no easy fan, but this fanned out pretty nice, y'all. The fan is backwards, so, but yeah, that base is still pretty slim. I hope y'all can see that. Okay, so these are their CC Curl Mix 0.05 lashes, super soft. I loved how they came off the strip. I gotta try them with another pair of tweezers just to see, you know, how they're fanning and everything, but I think we're gonna be able to make some magic happen. All right, so the last of the lashes that I got from Kolybél, they sent me 3 packs. They're all 0.05 C curl. I have a 14 millimeter tray, a 15 millimeter tray, and then a mixed length tray, which has still the same lengths, the 8 millimeter to 15 millimeter lashes. So let's see what these are feeling like. These are just black, regular, handmade volume fan lashes. So up close. Yes, Kolybél. If I had to rate these lashes on the feel, they get a 10 out of 10. I love a good soft lash. They have a matte finish to them. They're not super glossy, so they will look really natural, as natural as volume lashes can look. So yeah, I'm excited to use these and to give them a try and to play with the fanning. So I ordered the 14mm full lash tray because that's what I use the most with my clients. So if after I try these lashes on the client, they are amazing and I could choose to continue using them, then I'll already have something to start me off with in the length that I use the most of. And then the 15mm, I got these because I have some clients who go between 14 and 16, so if we just ever need the 15s, we would definitely run them. They're perfect for cat eyes, perfect for spikes for my clients who are like, oh, I want something a little extra, but I don't want them too long, so these will be perfect for that. All right, y'all. And lastly, I have their Caro adhesive. So before I dispense the adhesive and we give it a look and all of that, I just want to tell you some of the details about the adhesive. So this specific adhesive, the dry time on it is 0.5 to 1 second. So you want to make sure that when you are purchasing the adhesive, you pay attention to the dry time, because you don't need the adhesive drying faster than you can get the extension from your glue ring or your glue dot to the natural lash. So if you don't have your speed, you know, just really up and kicking, that is totally fine. Take your time with the lashes. The quality is what matters and not how long or not it takes you to do the lash set, but make sure that you get an adhesive that dries a little bit slower. Maybe anywhere from like a 2 to 4 second dry time will probably be best. So really quick dry time. It has a 7 to 8 week retention. Okay, we're gonna see. It's a glossy, the color is glossy black. That's just, you know, black adhesive. The ideal humidity is between 40 and 60%, and then the ideal temperature is 63 to 72% Fahrenheit. So make sure if you have a hygrometer that if you're going to use this glue or whatever adhesive that you use, that your humidity is right in your room so that you don't have retention problems and so that the lashes will stick while your client is there. So I am going to dispense some of this glue so that we can get a look at it, and then I'm also just gonna go ahead and make a lash fan so that we can see how nice these lashes fan out and how nice these boot tweezers work. So we'll get this little strip out of here. Bam. All right, so I am going to find a little thingy to get the glue out. Or open the glue up. All right, so they come with 2 of these little top poppers. So of course, once you take them out the pack, open the glue up, you have to press this down here to break the seal on the adhesive. All right, we got the seal broken. Now I'm gonna close the adhesive back up so that I can shake it a little bit before we use it. Mixing all of those ingredients back up. Make sure that you are shaking your lash glue for at least 30 seconds to a minute before you dispense a glue bottle, unless you use a shaker. I've recently learned that if you use a glue shaker, you only have to shake your glue up 1 time a day because it really gets all of the ingredients mixed up together and what have you. But shaking by hand, it is recommended that you shake for 30 seconds to a minute each time you dispense a new glue dot. So it looks like I done shook this for at least 30 seconds to a minute looking at the timer on the phone. All right, so let's see what the glue is hitting for. So I'm gonna turn this over and we're gonna do 2 little drops. All right. Wipe the nozzle off. Okay, so I mean the glue looks like normal lash glue, but we gonna see how it works with the fan. It's not a really heavy smell, so I do like that. Some lash glues are so strong, lash adhesives are so strong that the smell is just super intoxicating and you be done had a headache by the time you get halfway through an eye. So it's really light on the smell, which I appreciate. So I'm going to take some of these lashes in this tweezer. Let's see, I think that's the sweet spot. Oh, these lashes came off the strip with ease. And look how even they are across the bottom. I love to see it. Okay, so we're just gonna fan these out. Oh, that's a huge fan. Okay. Okay, so that glue dried the base of that fan pretty quickly. Oh, maybe not. I just kind of tore it a little bit. Fan down. We're gonna try it again. So the boot tweezer, I don't normally use a boot tweezer, so that's a bit new for me. My hand kind of has to get used to the feel of it, but so far it fans out really well. My hand doesn't feel uncomfortable right now making fans with the tweezer, and I can definitely see. Sorry, y'all. Oh, y'all can see what I'm doing. Cool. I can definitely see the difference in my mega fans with this boot tweezer versus versus my mega fans with my regular L-shaped tweezer. So this is what the fan came out to. Well, this fan done fell apart too. Alright, glue. I'm gonna say it's just me. Maybe I ain't shake it up long enough. Let's see. I'm gonna try another tweezer as well, just to make sure that me holding this new tweezer isn't the issue. Again, lashes come off the strip super smooth. I really love and appreciate a quality lash. Okay, so here is how that fan turned out. Basic slim. I do think the glue dries just a tad bit slower than what I'm used to, but it's still not something that'll be an inconvenience. When I say just a tad, I mean just a tad. Let me make another little fan. Y'all, these lashes are coming off the strip really nice, and I love it. They're really even at the bottom. Okay, there we go. Maybe it's just I need to get adjusted to using that kind of tweezer. Oh, like, all right, perfect fan. No straggly, raggly ends. Snatched base. I love to see it. So, just from my initial rating, I'll definitely rate their lashes. Before I use them, I'm gonna make another video, but I definitely rate their lashes at least I'll give them a 10 out of 10. I'm definitely going to give these a 10 out of 10 for now. They're super soft. I love super soft lashes. They fan really nicely, really easy. They come off the strip even, and that is super important to your lashing journey and lashing situations when you're in them. So, yeah, that saves you time when you're not fighting with eyelashes and what have you. So, KOLYBÉL Lash. I will tag all of these, sorry, let me put this in here. I will put all of these products in the description box along with their link on their website, and I will make sure that KOLYBÉL's Instagram page is in the description box as well. That is all for this video. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure that you drop them in the comment section. If you like the video, be sure to like the video. If you have not by now, hit that subscribe button. Please hit the button. Just hit the button. You'll love it here. I appreciate your support as well. And don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank y'all for tuning in and checking in this video with me, and I will see y'all in the next one.